my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is Allure here, and I am back with another video. And in this video I'm just going to show you guys and how I got my hair to look like this, and how I make my closures or frontals look natural without using bleach. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think of this hair on me, because this is my first time trying hair this short, and I just feel a little bit uncomfortable because it's so short. It is supposed to be 12 inches, but I think only the front is 12 inches right here and the back is not, so there's that to keep in mind. I will definitely straighten this wig to see how long it will get, but the hair is very good quality. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and just enjoy this video watching me struggle with a whole lot of first times. So it's my first time using the Gatsby spray. It's gonna be my first time doing the, closure thing, the no bleaching, and it's gonna be my first time actually wearing a hair this short. It's not supposed to be this short. I think my only problem with this is that it's short. Like, I don't have no other problem with it. It's just short. And yeah, so this is from ATZ Wigs, and it's a company on Amazon. And the wig that I got is a 4x4 lace front wig, Brazilian curly, and it is a 12-inch wig. The wig comes in a little baggie. Inside the baggie there's a weaving cap. I don't really use those. I rather the really black ones, not the ones with the holes, but I could use them. I don't know. This is the curl right out of the box. I didn't do nothing to them. These are the curls. Very beautiful. And let's talk about the inside of the wig. So the inside of the wig comes with 3 combs. 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the back. Okay, right here. So what I'm gonna do is grab some scissors, cut this off, and come back. I just want to say excuse my voice for this video. I don't know why, but like lately I've been getting sick mad like easy. So I'm gonna use these kid scissors, whatever, and just cut this section off. Make sure you don't cut it too close to the thread so that it doesn't come apart. I freaking hate these stairs, like guys, I just cut the lace. Okay, so this is what I took off. So the hairline is not really like plugged, like it needs to be plugged. So I definitely have to do that. I do not have my weight head, so I'm gonna do this by hand. And I know this is not the greatest idea, but it's gonna have to do. So I went out yesterday to get like, a couple of stuff from the store, and I was supposed to grab the BW2 powder to bleach these knots, and I did not have time, and I won't have time to actually go back until a couple days later. But since I want to wear this wig for you guys for a couple days before, letting you know how I kind of feel about it and how it's, how it's doing, I'm gonna try. I was looking online on YouTube. Yes, I was looking online about how I could bleach, or how I could cover the knots, the black knots, without bleach. And I stumbled upon a couple of videos where some people use foundation or concealer. They use foundation or concealer, and I don't know which method which product I'm gonna use. If it's concealer, foundation, I have both. So I'm probably gonna just do that to my lace today, because this is a closure. So until I get it, I kind of want to try that method. Want to know if it works or not, because honestly I don't know how I feel about it, but we're gonna try that. And I'm just honestly just plucking. So I just finished kind of plucking it. It looks better than before. It's thinned out a little bit, and this is the amount of hair I took out. You could use any foundation or concealer from based on what video, based on the videos that I've seen, that's what they said. So flip in the wig like this, Again, this is my first time trying this. Please do not come for me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm using this contouring brush because I couldn't find my foundation brush. And they said to just apply it like this, kind of. I hope it don't get on the hair because that will be messed up. So they said to make sure to apply it evenly, and to make sure we let it dry, kind of. I think I put too much. Help. Is it on the hair? It's definitely on the hair, y'all. It's on the hair. It's on the hair. What do I do? It's on the hair. It's on the hair. So we did have, I don't know why there's little chunks and bits and stuff, but. And we did have foundation. And it's 2 different colors. Okay. Wow. So I guess I wasn't supposed to just apply it because it goes through. And from most of the videos I've seen, they said to leave it, make sure it dries. I'm gonna do is take my blow dryer and just blow dry it. I'm taking this frizz spray, and this is what I'm gonna try to use to glue this wig down for the first time. I don't know how the lasting freeze spray from Got To Be gonna work, but they say to spray it with something to hold it, I guess. So doing that. Going back with the dryer. So I did this thing, and now let's go see what the knots is looking like. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't have sprayed it. Oh. Okay, so the mistake that I made when applying this, go a little at a time or just apply it on the brush because it's gonna go through it. So yeah, it's going through, but water can fix that. I don't know if it was the spray part, but like that kind of made it crazy looking, shiny, whatever, but I could work with this. I don't see no knots on this. There's no knots. No knots on this. Hold on. There are no knots on this. I don't know if you guys can see this. What I would do is, because this was like a trial and error for me, I think I would rather use it without the spray or hairspray to hold it, whatever, because it's making it look a little shiny. But if you don't spray it and stuff, it looks good. It looks like scalp. It looks good. There's no, oh, I'm gonna start doing this. What? Look, y'all. This looks good. This looks good to me. I don't know about you guys or how you guys feel about this, but this looks good to me. This looks good to me. Oh wow. Okay, where have I been? Why did I not hop on this train? Because y'all, I did not bleach this. I mean, the only thing that would be a little annoying is like doing this every time after you wash it, but y'all, there are no bleach. Okay, I'm happy. I normally butcher stuff. I mean, I did butcher this a little bit, but this was a good try. This is a good idea. So shout out to whoever came up with this idea. So now let's cut the lace. The curls are lovely and like scalp. Okay, I don't have a wig cap on. I do not have a wig cap on, but this right here, this hair is gorgeous. I have never owned a wig this short before, so I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna go and spray it to see at least if it's wet, if it'll get like more length or something, but if that don't work out, then I don't know. But the hair is pretty, it's soft, it's not, let me run my fingers through it, it's not shedding. Nothing came out, so I don't like, nothing is coming out, so that's good. I'm taking this spray bottle. We're gonna try to make it look natural. I mean, if you're one of these people that don't care for baby hair, you could honestly just do the trick that I did and just wear it without. You can literally wear this without baby hairs if you want to. My nails are changing color. Yes, the tips are kind of getting orange, and it's because of this acrylic stick that I did. The spray bottle has conditioner in it, so we're just gonna spray it. Okay, so I kind of like how it looks like wet, so we're probably gonna go, and it's kind of longer looking, and I kind of like it more wet. So what I'm gonna do is probably do like a wet look with it, and shove whatchamacallit, gel on it so that it would look better. So you guys could tell it kind of looked more like a 12-inch when wet, so they should have said that. I'm gonna keep going throughout my whole head and come back. Probably gonna apply some gel. So after I do that, I'm taking this extreme gel. Look, my nails changed color. Yay! Maybe I could work with it like this. What do you guys think? I don't know how I look with short hair. I don't really like it this short, but okay, so this is a quick little update. This is the wig. I went and I just blow dried it and twisted. What is it? Flat twist, whatever. I did 2 flat twists, and this is what it looks like. I'm definitely loving the texture of it. I'm getting closer. It's very full, very big. Now it does look like 12-inch, and yeah, I just wanted to come in and say that because I'm about to film another video, but I wanted to show you guys how it looked like. It's very natural. So yeah, ta-da. Okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching.